Unit 3.1, the chain rule. The chain rule, which is also the derivative of a composite function, is equal to this formula here, which is the derivative of f of g of x is equal to f prime g of x times g prime of x, which is equal to this here. So basically what it's telling us is to multiply the outside part of the function by the derivative, and then multiply the inside part of the function by the derivative, while the argument stays the same. So here are some composite functions that are going to help us like get a little bit familiar, and it's kind of helpful to have these type of things memorized. So what you're going to do is multiply the derivative of sine, since it's in the outside of the argument, times the inside of the argument, which is x squared. So the sine is going to turn into a cosine x squared, and this x squared turns into 2x, so it goes to the front. You get this. The square root of natural log x is really natural log x to the power of 1/2. So multiply the outside part of the function, which is the 1/2. So the derivative would be 1/2, because you use power rule, and then it would be to the power of negative 1/2 while the argument stays the same. And then the derivative of the argument is 1 over x. So you get this. This one's a little bit long, so we're just going to skip over it, but it's nice to memorize too. Number 1, y equals natural log of x squared. Find the derivative of the outside, which is natural log, times the derivative of the inside, while the argument stays the same. So y prime, because the derivative of y is y prime, equals 1 over x squared times 2x, because you use power rule on this. So that means y prime is equal to 2x over x squared, which is also y prime equals 2 over x. Number 2, y equals x plus 1 to the power 3. Video's getting a bit long, so it's the same as number 1. The only thing that might be difficult is this one. Just remember to change it to 2x minus 1 to the power of 1/2. And after that, use the chain rule to find this derivative. Find the derivative of 2x minus 1, which is just 2. Multiply it, and you get this.